welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to apply foundation with makeup sponge. So applying the foundation or base is really important for any makeup. But there are so many things you need to take care of for applying the base. For example, brushes, foundation brush, blender brush, powder brush, and etc, etc, etc. If you have this, you do not require any brushes because it's gonna blend, it's gonna apply the bronzers, foundation, everything, and I'm going to show you how we're gonna do that. So this is the sponge which I'm going to use to apply the foundation, and I have got this from Amazon, so you can order one for yourself if you don't have it, and it looks something like this. A drop sponge. So I'm going to use this one. This is the new one. So I'm going to use the one which I have already used. The first step is just apply the foundation on your face. So as you can see, I have applied the foundation on my face. So to give your face more shape, I'll apply the darker foundation like contouring. So you will get how to do the contouring also. So what you have to do is take a really darker shade, or I think 2-3 times darker shade than your own foundation. That is the foundation which you're going to use for the contouring if you're using the foundation. So what you have to do is apply the foundation here. So as you can see, it's really darker shade, like 5 times darker or 3 times darker than my own foundation, my own skin tone. And somewhat here. So now basically we're done with applying the foundation and the contouring foundation. So what you have to do now is take your sponge and just start blending it. So you just have to tap it. So as you can see, this part is done, but I would suggest keep blending until you're feeling that it has settled down on your face. Then start with the other part. So this is the best because it has absorbed all the excess foundation which was there on my face, and just keeping that much which is just required to blend and to make my face even. So just start tapping it from the other side. So then you can start with the nose and the upper lip area. the nose part, just slide it like this, you know. Above the, like on the eyelids, it doesn't matter because you're anyways going to apply the eye shade or the eyeliner. And just blend it there also. So see, now the whole face is completely even and well shaped because of the contouring and the foundation the way we have done, and just with this sponge. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful, and if yes, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions and doubts or suggestions, you can let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking there, and to watch my last video, click here. From Fashionista Fair, this is Asiya. Love you guys. Dress well, express well.